Okay, here's another example of wind damage. We just had a recent storm with winds recorded over 50 mile an hour, 50, 60 miles an hour. This is a 3-tab roof. They're susceptible to damage from high winds more than the dimensional composition, so we look for this. So let's just go over this roof and see what else is going on. Everything appears to be in decent condition here. I'm going to say this roof's about 10 years old. It's got 10 years left. A little more wind damage here. Right there. Let's see. Looks like we have shingles that need to be reinstalled around this solar tube. Wasn't quite roofed in correctly. You can see the cracks in the shingles. That's where they've been lifted. Again, let's go over this way. I'll back up. And we'll lift one up, see what it looks like. Oh, they're glued down. No, they're lifted. See, they've lost their weld. And when they do that, the wind catches them, catches these things, and away they go. It'll just tear up a whole section. So we have loose. There's a few that were torn off in this last wind. We'll have to replace. So what we're going to do is repair this roof where the missing shingles are found. We're going to attempt to seal down as many of these shingles as we can that we find that are lifted. It can get kind of tedious, but we do our best. It looks like there's been some eave work done in the past here. There's a different color comp, and they probably didn't seal these down, so that's probably why they're lifting. Here's looks like a homeowner job. They put, again, a shingle roof on a flat surface. And I've already looked under this roof, and it's just, the sheeting is just damaged beyond repair. I'm going to recommend they tear this down. Something a homeowner put on, and they did the same thing on the other side of this. Another little close to flat roof. So it's just going to leak back into the shingles. There you go.